श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये। नमस्ते। Hanuman ji is one devata, one bhakta which is worshipped everywhere. In any temple in India, if you go, you can find a small temple of Hanuman ji. In North India also, if you enter the temple, on the left side there is a Ganesha temple and the right side there is a Hanuman temple. So Hanuman is the only bhakta whose temple is everywhere. Even if you go in South Gujarat tribal area, which is called Dang. Dang word is there because of it is a Dandakaranya which is in the Maharashtra and Gujarat. So there also all the tribal people have the worshipping of Hanumanji. And in this very crucial time, health-wise, economic-wise, we are facing very difficult time, and so I really appreciate that Silicon Andhra has decided to have this Hanuman Chalisa chanting in 108 countries, and also we want to have to be liberated from this pandemic Corona 29, economical crisis, border crisis, health-wise, social-wise, everything. There is a reforming is going on, and so we need to be liberated from this. And so on the day of freedom, that 15th August, I request all of you to participate in this program and chant Hanuman Chalisa so that we can be liberated from the crisis what we are facing at the moment. Hanumanji is worshipped for everything. If you see the Hanuman Chalisa, for any crisis of the whether it is a health or it is any kind of the disease or family problems or economical problems, he is the one who can liberate us from all this. So I request all of you to participate in this program. Om.